Okay guys, today I will review module preparation from exam CCNA. Okay, we start from number 2, which WPA 3 enhancement protects against hacker viewing traffic on the Wi-Fi network. The correct answer is B, SIA encryption. The explanation is WPA3 uses SIA or simultaneous authentication of equal to replace PSK used in WPA2. SIA provide perfect forward secrecy, meaning each session uses a unique encryption key derived from a Diffie-Hellman exchange. Even if the password is compromised, possession remain protected from passive eavesdropping. Okay. Next, number 3. Which IPv6 address block sends packet to a group address rather than a single address? The answer is B. Because B is the IPv6 multicast address range. All IPv6 address beginning with FF are multicast address sent to a group of devices. FFE /10 is link local. Then FC00/7 is unique local. And 2000/3 is the global unicast range. Then number 4. Which per hop traffic control feature does an ESP implement to mitigate the potential negative effect of a customer exceeding its committed bandwidth? The answer is C, because policing is used to enforce a traffic rate limit by dropping packets that exceed the committed access rate, or CIR. ESP use policing on customer-facing interface. Unlike shaping, policing immediately discard excess packet, making it suitable for ISP enforcement. Okay. Then number 5. Which WPA3 improvement protect against unauthorized authentication attempts and ensure perfect session confidentiality? The answer is B, is IA with perfect forward secrecy. The explanation is WPA3 personal uses SIA, which provides perfect forward secrecy. This means even if the password is leaked, session remains secure because each session uses a unique encryption key. Number 6. What does on a neighboring device allow a new port channel to come up without negotiating the channel when configuring a layer 3 port channel with LACP? Okay, in here the answer is A. Modifying the neighbor device is static inter-channel configuration to passive mode. Why? To allow LACP to run without actively negotiating, passive mode is used. Passive mode responds to LICP requests but does not initiate them. The on mode does not use negotiation protocol at all. If one set is on, the other set must be on or passive. Okay, then number 7. Which two example represent multi-factor authentication? Choose two. The answer is A and B because multi-factor authentication or MFA combines at least two of three factors. Something you know, user unique knowledge, something you have, soft token or hardware token, and something you are biometric. Soft token and unique knowledge represent two different factors. Number 8. What are two firewall functions in an enterprise environment? The answer is P and E. B. Enable traffic filtering based on URL. A. Provide support as an endpoint for remote access VPN in multiple context mode. The explanation is firewall enterprise firewall can filter traffic based on URL using deep packet inspection and can function as a remote access VPN endpoint in multiple context mode. Firewall do not provide wireless connectivity or layer 2 service. Okay, number 9. In what way does the spine and leaf architecture allow scalability in the network when additional access ports are required? The answer is B. A leaf switch is added with connection to very spine switch because in a spine and leaf architecture, every leaf switch is connected to all spine switches. To add more access port, you simply add a new leaf switch and connect it to all existing spine switches. This provides consistent horizontal scalability and predictable latency. Number 10. Which quality of service feature drop traffic that exceeds the committed access rate? The answer is C. Policing. Policing drop traffic that exceeds the committed access rate immediately. This differs from shaping, which buffer and delay access traffic in a queue. FIFO and WFQ are queuing mechanism, not traffic enforcement tools. Okay, then number 11. What are two disadvantages of a full mesh topology? Choose two. The answer is A and I and B. High implementation cost and requires complex configuration. The explanation is a full mesh topology requires every node to be directly connected to all other nodes. This results in very high implementation cost and highly complex configuration as the number of nodes increases. Then number 12, what is the role of non-overlapping channel in a wireless environment? That's what is C, to reduce interference. The explanation is non-overlapping channel in 2.4 gigahertz channel and many channel in 5 gigahertz are designed to reduce interference between nearby access points. If neighboring access point use the same or overlapping channel, co-channel interference occurs, which decreases performance. Okay, then number 13. What is the definition of vector malware? The answer is D. Malicious code installed on a computer to allow access by unauthorized user. The explanation, vector malware is malicious software that or malicious software that provides secret access to a system for an attacker without the owner's knowledge. Vector are often installed via exploit or Trojan, allowing attacker to access the system at any time. Number 40. In a spine and leaf architecture, what is the main characteristic of each device? The answer is D. Okay. Each device is separated by the same number of hops. Explanation: the main characteristic of the spine and leaf architecture is that every device or host is separated by the same number of hops. This result is predictable and consistent latency across the entire data center network. Then number 15. Which type of VPN is used when employees access a secure server from public Wi-Fi? The answer is D. Remote. VPN, remote access VPN, also called client-to-site VPN, is used by individual users to securely connect to a corporate network from a remote location, such as public Wi-Fi. Set-to-set VPN is used to permanently connect to office network together. 16. Which global command encrypt all password in the running configuration? Answer is C. Service password encryption. The global command service password encryption encrypt all password in the configuration using weak type 7 encryption. Meanwhile, enable secret only encrypt the enable password using MD5. For better security, use enable secret instead of enable password. Then number 17. What are two recommendations to protect network ports from exploitation when located in the office space outside the IT closet? The answer is C and D. Shut down unused port and implement port-based authentication. To secure network ports in public area, first, shut, shut down unused port so unauthorized device cannot connect. And secondly, implement port-based authentication so that only authenticated device can access the network. Number 18. What two components are required to create an Ansible script that configure a VLAN on a switch? Switch 2. Choose 2, sorry. The answer is C and A, playbook and task. Ansible use a playbook as the main file to define the configuration to be applied, and task as a individual units of instruction within the playbook, cookbook, and recipe are terms from Chef, another automation tools, not Ansible. Okay, then number 19. What is the central role of a hypervisor in a virtual environment? The answer is D. Presenting virtual hardware to the quiz operating system. The explanation is the hypervisor virtual machine monitor is responsible for presenting virtual hardware to the quiz operating system. The hypervisor abstract the physical hardware and allow multiple VM to run simultaneously, each with its own virtual hardware. Number 20. What action must be taken to assign a global unicast IPv6 address to an interface derived from the MAC address of that interface? The answer is enable SLIIC on the interface. SLIIC stateless address auto configuration allow the device to automatically generate a global unicast IPv6 address using the prefix from the router advertisement and the MAC address through the AUI 65 process. The command IPv6 address autoconfig enable SLAAC. Then last number 21 and 22. Which model must be used to configure an Ether channel between two sites without using a negotiation protocol? Without using negotiation, okay? The answer is B, because the on model force the interface to become part of the Ether channel without using any negotiation protocol like LACP or PAGP. Both both switch must be configured in on mode for the Ether channel to form active and passive mode. Mode use LACP, while auto and desirable mode use PAGP. Number 22. Which cloud service allow organization to install their own operating system on a virtual machine? The answer is B. Infrastructure as a service or EAS. EaaS. The explanation is EaaS provides virtual computing infrastructure as a VM as storage and networking. Users can install the OS of their choice. SaaS provide ready-to-use application, while PaaS provide a platform to develop application without managing the underlying infrastructure. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.